Hello and welcome to Apex Contact Center platform. In this video, we will demonstrate how you can add calling data into the Apex system from a spreadsheet using our simple interface. Firstly, make sure you have a clean spreadsheet of records you want to dial. When we say clean, this means a single record on each row of the spreadsheet. Also check that you have a completed phone number column with a single phone number for each record in the primary telephone number column. Now, click into the Data, Import Data section in your Apex Manager interface. Click Choose File and select the spreadsheet you wish to upload. Then click the Upload button. You are now presented with our data import form, where you can map the columns from your spreadsheet into the correct Apex fields. Before we do the field mappings, we can take a look over the settings for this import. I'll quickly run through what all these options are. Headers first row. If the column names are in the first row of your spreadsheet, select Yes here. Campaign. Which campaign you want this data list going into. Duplicate check. Check for matching phone numbers you already have in the system, so you don't import the same records again. Clean phone numbers. We'll strip any non-numeric characters out of your phone number fields. International format. Select UK if you are using a UK format number with a 0 at the front. If using a 44 prefix or international numbers, select Yes. Remove existing records. Clears out the selected list completely, so these records replace the records already in the list. Remove matching records. We'll only replace records in the existing list that match records from this spreadsheet. List ID. Select the list these records will go into, or create a new list for them. List name. If creating a new list, give this list a name. List description. Give the list a description, put key information such as data source, date of import, number of records, etc. into here to help you manage your data. Template. If you import the same format of data regularly, it might be worth saving these settings as a template to save you having to do all the settings and mappings each time. Now, we have the settings in place, we can map the fields over. As you can see, we present the top few rows from your spreadsheet onto the screen so you can see the information in each column. Using this information, we should be easily able to match these columns up to our Apex fields. In each drop-down box, you will find the regular Apex fields and also any custom fields you have created for this campaign towards the bottom. Once you have completed the field mappings, click the Import Data button. Once the data is imported, you will see a results page. In here, you can see how many records were imported, how many were not imported, and the reason why that record wasn't imported. This results page can be sent as an email if you need to keep these records for posterity. Now that this data is imported, you can begin to use it on your campaign by making the list active or by adding it to one of your smart dial rules. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with all our latest tutorials.